nais ko pong tawagin ang magpapakilala sa ating espesyal na panahuhin. Walang iba kundi po ang ating Municipal Administrator. Palakpakan po natin, Atty. Crispino Georgie Pablo Jr.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, kapwa ko kawali sa pangkayang bayan. Lawyer Beauty Queens made a mark in Filipinas pageant history. Who was Sora Andam? Who was Teresa Licaros? Who truly proven that beauty is useless if not partnered with brains. This year's Binibining Pilipinas 2011 candidates listed a name that has an interesting blend of beauty and brains, but quite distinctly great weight on brains. Our special guest today has the incredible academic credentials, assisted with her glamorous smile, shapely figure, of course the gift of ignorance. She studied in Thailand for more than a year during elementary. She graduated magna cum laude from UP College of Architecture. She won the Architectural Board Examination in July 2010. Her talent includes painting, reading books, and drawing. She is a native of Iligan City, Lanao del Norte, but has since been resident of Village East, Cainta, Rizal. Her weight is 105 pounds. She is 5'7" and 1/4". She is 24 years old. And she's crowned Binibining Pilipinas Universe 2011, and during which she received a special awards in Best in Talent, Miss Pal, Miss Crimson. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you the crowned Binibining Pilipinas Universe 2011, Miss Shamsi Susu.
Mayor Juan Ilagan and Mrs. Vera Ilagan, Vice Mayor Arturo Sica, Sangguniang Bayan members, Punong Barangays, Department Heads and Cainta Municipal Employees, Department of Education Family, sa inyong lahat, mga minamahal kong kababayan dito sa Cainta, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko nagpapasalamat sa pag-imbita niyo sa akin dito, kahit na General Santos City ang aking tinadalang pangalan nung sumali ako nung Binibining Pilipinas. Malapit po sa puso ko ang Cainta. Dahil noon, dito po ako nag-aral po ako sa Faith Christian School sa Village East noong grade 3 and grade 5. At simula po nung nag-aral ako sa UP, sa Cainta na po ako nakatira. And sa totoo po, dito po ako bumoto. Dito ako nagsimulang bumoto sa Cainta. So, dito po ako registered voter. Dahil dito talaga ako tumagal. Although yung family ko talaga kasi is living in General Santos City. And my dad talaga and my mom are Bisaya and from Mindanao. So, I would like to thank everyone who's here kahit sobrang init at andito kayo. Nagpapasalamat ako. Gusto ko nagpapasalamat. At sana sa pagdating ng Miss Universe, supportahan niyo rin po ako. Para po sa akin, yung suporta, yun na po yung nagbibigay sa akin ng lakas sa pagsali ko po doon. So maraming po salamat. Yun lang po. Thank you. Good morning, everyone.
At this point, we would like to invite our Honorable Mayor Ramon Ilagan, our SB members, our punong barangays and tagawats, and also our department heads and heads of offices for the awarding of Certificate of Recognition. But first, allow me to read the text. It reads, Republic of the Philippines, Municipality of Tayta, Province of Rizal, Office of the Mayor, presents this Certificate of Recognition to Miss Shamsi Jirsapsuk, reigning Binibining Pilipinas Universe 2011. In grateful recognition and sincere appreciation for giving pride and honor to the people of Tayta and the whole province of Rizal by winning the Binibining Pilipinas Universe 2011 title, and for her valuable contribution in the promotion of our local culture and tourism. Given the 2nd day of May 2011 at Tayta, Rizal. Signed, Honorable Mayor Ramon A. Ilagan. Again, a round of applause for Miss Shamsi Jirsapsuk, our reigning Binibining Pilipinas Universe 2011. Maraming salamat po. Muli, isang masigabong palakpakan kay Miss Shamsi Jirsapsuk, our Binibining Pilipinas Universe 2011.
Thank you. At ngayon po naman, upang magbigay ng kanyang maikling mensahe ngayong umaga, ang ama ng bayan ng Tayta, putihin po ng bayan, Ramon A. Ilagan.